Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator DOUYE DIRI, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator DOUYE DIRI, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator DOUYE DIRI, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator DOUYE DIRI, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator DOUYE DIRI, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator DOUYE DIRI has called for an amendment to the Petroleum Industry Act (P.I.A) to allow for the involvement of state and local governments in the implementation of the legislation. Senator DIRI made the call when the new commander of the Joint Military Task Force, Operation Delta Safe, Rear Admiral Eugenio Ferreira, paid him a courtesy visit recently in Government House, Yenagoa.
The Petroleum Industry Act (P.I.A) 2021 provides legal, governance, regulatory and fiscal framework for the Nigerian petroleum industry. It is generally considered an all-important piece of legislation enacted to create investment opportunities for local and foreign investors to grow the Nigerian economy. When recently Senator DOUYE DIRI received the new commander of the Joint Military Task Force, Operation Delta Safe, Rear Admiral Eugenio Ferreira, in Government House, Yenagoa, he had brought to the fore some shortcomings in the provisions of the P.I.A. The Bayelsa State Governor, a former federal lawmaker, described the enactment of the P.I.A. as a welcome development, but noted that the relegation of state and local governments in its host community relations and dispute resolution components was an invitation to anarchy in the Niger Delta.
The federal government in that act has successfully excluded the state governments and the local governments, and they are dealing directly with the communities. And just recently, we have started seeing crisis between the communities and the oil companies about signing of MOUs and who should speak on behalf of the communities. And the attention of the state government has been called towards such unhealthy time bomb. And so that act still needs further amendments.
Senator DIRI, while addressing his guest, condemned oil theft and artisanal crude oil refining as acts of economic sabotage. He, however, advised the federal government to adopt a better energy security strategy that promotes local ownership of security to the extent that host communities would begin to take it upon themselves to protect oil and gas assets in the Niger Delta.
The best way to tackle most of these things is to actually fast-track development to these areas that require development. I can assure you that these same people will become the protectors of oil installations that are found in their domain.
Rear Admiral Ferreira, who thanked the Bayelsa State Governor for the support given to the Joint Task Force over the years, noted that the command was beginning to adopt conflict resolution strategies to stave off crisis in oil-producing communities.
On a daily basis, we are engaged in having to mediate between one dispute or the other between host communities and sometimes some IOCs. For us, we think getting the P.I.A. down to the lowest rung of communities will actually help in educating these chaps in knowing how to pursue their grievances. So on this note, sir, I would like to formally pledge that Operation Delta Safe will continue to provide a safe and secure environment within our immediate environment here in Yenagoa and of course the wider Niger Delta area.
Recently, Governor DIRI inaugurated the Bayelsa State Independent Electoral Commission and Civil Service Commission, headed by Dr. Peter Singabele and Perekie Gburu Boyefe, respectively. Also sworn in were the state's new Auditor General and a member of the Judicial Service Commission. While inaugurating the newly appointed state officials, the Prosperity Governor urged them to discharge their duties diligently in the overall interest of Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator DOUYE DIRI, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator DOUYE DIRI, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator DOUYE DIRI, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator DOUYE DIRI, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator DOUYE DIRI, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.